Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Good Livings India, and today we are going to talk about cottage cheese or farmer cheese as we call it, and in Hindi we call it paneer. So today we are going to make it at home with no less than only 3 ingredients that are readily available in the market and at our home. So let's see how to prepare cottage cheese at our home. So guys, let's see the ingredients now. This is Patanjali cow milk 1 liter for 44 rupees. And cow milk is the best as it contains a lot of enzymes that are good for our health, better than buffalo milk. And this is citric acid, which is in crystallized form, and we can find it at any general store. This is a very big packet, so you can find it for only 10 to 15 rupees as well, in a very small packet as well. I've got this for about 100 rupees from the market. I didn't find a small packet nearby here, so I got this one because I regularly make paneer or cottage cheese at home, so I will utilize this by year or so. This is my Philips induction, and we need 1 utensil for boiling the milk and a little bit of water, 1 bowl and spoon for mixing citric acid with water, and 1 scissor to open up the packets. So let's get started. So I'm pouring this milk in my utensil. And we'll keep this aside and turn on my induction here. So guys, I've taken this about this much of satri or citric acid in this bowl, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of water just to make a little bit of solution of this, only this much of water, and I'm gonna mix it thoroughly. So guys, now we can see our milk is boiled, and I have this solution prepared out of citric acid and water. So I'm just going to pour it in this and stir it once, and we'll see what happens in a moment here. And I'll just put a little bit of water more to stir and utilize all the citric acid in there. And you can see that lumps of paneer or cottage cheese have already started to form. So let's just wait for 5 minutes and it will all separate like this. You can see it's already forming. So we'll keep this aside and wait for 5 minutes. So guys, now you can see that we have waited for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now it is done. We can see that lumps have been formed and it's not boiling anymore. This is the liquid that will be left out. So we'll just wait for it to cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll filter it out. So guys, this has cooled now, and now I'm gonna take a bigger vessel and this cheese cloth or butter cloth, or as we call it in Hindi, malmal ka kapda. This is about 2 meters, so after washing it has come to this length. I've doubled it up. Now I'm going to just put it over on my utensil and hold it all together like this, so it doesn't move when I put this into this cloth. So I'm just gonna pick it up and pour it slowly. You can see this is all gone. Now you can see a little bit is still in there, so I'll take it off later, and I'll just pick this up like this, hold it up and twist. Since this is a little hot, I'm using these tongs to twist and get the excess water out. So you can see that it is releasing some water. Okay guys, now it's all drained out, so I'm just gonna open this cloth now again, and you can see this is how it looks. I'm gonna remove this utensil, and I'll take a plate, twist it a little bit, place it like this, press it, and put a little heavy material or anything on the cottage cheese like this. So what will it do? It will set the paneer for about we'll leave it for about 1 hour. So guys, until that cottage cheese is getting set, let's talk about the cow milk that I was using. So I just wanted to share a little bit of information about this. I have this Patanjali cow milk that we used, that is 1 liter pack here, and it is for about 44 rupees. And this is the best that is available in the market in terms of packaged milk. I have used a lot of brands like Ananda, Amul, Mother Dairy, and DMS, Gopalji, but I have not found anyone better than Patanjali. This is basically pure cow milk. If you do not find any pure or direct source of milk, especially cow milk, you can go for this. And this is very readily available nowadays on all the grocery shops from where you can find packaged milk, and it is very good quality. Also, it contains a lot of beneficial vitamins, etc. So at the back of the pack you can see that it contains vitamin A, retinol as well, B, beta carotene, that is good for your night blindness, so it fights night blindness as well, so it is good for your eyes as well. So I would recommend using Patanjali instead of any other. Plus this is cow milk, so it has a lot of fats in it, which is very good for extracting the cottage cheese from your milk. Guys, I was using this citric acid, so I just wanted to tell you that why I was using citric acid. We can use lemon juice and other vegetable acid sets as well, but citric acid works the best. Normally people use lemon juice at home, and that leaves a little bit of tanginess and a little bit of smell, and if you have forgotten to strain out the pulp out of lemon, then you will get a little bit of pulp in your paneer as well, so that doesn't taste very nice. So this gives out a best results. So guys, let's check how it is looking now. So I'm gonna remove this marble rolling thing and open this cloth slowly like this, so we can see this has set very beautifully and nice. So I'm just gonna put it on my palm like this, remove the cloth and place it on this plate. So you can see this is set very nicely. You can pick it up and everything. So let's try a little bit how it tastes. This is wonderful. So this tasted very good, and if you like to use this at home or in your any kind of business as well, you can just multiply the quantity that we used and you'll get a lot of paneer out of this. So this is about 100 to 200 grams of paneer that I got out of 1 liter. So in market you will also get 40 rupees about 200 grams paneer, but that paneer is not that good. It's not good for your health because that paneer is made out of separata milk that is sulfated, or it has a lot of chemicals in it. So I would recommend that you go ahead and make paneer at home, because it only takes about 15 to 20 minutes once you get used to the process. So friends, happy Navaratri, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment in the section below. Thank you. Bye bye.